Alfie, asan letter W?
W, ito.
Okay, give me. How about letter R? Letter Q. How about letter P?
We do D.
P. P, Papa.
D, Papa.
P, anak, P. Letter O. Letter I.
A,
Yes po.
ito.
Yes. Letter A, apple.
Ito.
Okay. How about letter M, mama?
Ito.
Yes. How about letter B, ball?
People. Yan.
How about letter F? F for frog. F, flower.
The app.
Yes. How about letter X, xylophone? Okay.
Ito.
Yes po.
Ito.
Yes po. How about letter Z?
D.
Z, zebra. Yan. How about letter T? Tatay.
Tate, ito.
Okay, give me. Thank you po. How about letter Y?
Bye.
Yes po, Y.
Ito.
Okay. How about letter K, kuya? Okay. How about letter N, nanay?
And nanay.
N for nanay. Okay. How about letter H?
H. Ito.
Okay, very good. How about letter D? D is for dog. D is for duck.
D, budak. D, budak.
Yes, baby. Where's the letter D, anak? D is for dog. D is for duck. Okay? Give me. Thank you. How about L? Lion. L, lion.
L.
L, lion.
Ito.
Okay. O, letter S. S.
Ito.
How about letter C? For cat. Cow. C for cat. C for cow.
D, budak. D, budak. Ito.
Okay, C. Abot mo sa akin yung letter C, anak. C.
Ito, D.
C. Oh, give me. Okay. How about the letter U for umbrella?
Ito. And pinda ito.
Okay, give me. Thank you. Nahulog. How about the letter V, vegetables?
Baba ito.
Okay. Thank you po. How about the letter E, elephant?
Ito.
Very good. How about letter G is for grapes? G for grapes.
Ito.
Okay, give me. Thank you po. How about letter J?
Ito.
J is for juice. Thank you po.
Thank you.